Are you wondering how to set up Folk CRM for your sales team? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through setting up Folk CRM efficiently and explain why it's a great choice for streamlining your sales processes. Plus, stay tuned for a special bonus at the end, where I'll show you how to get an exclusive free trial of Folk CRM. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Folk CRM is designed to help teams manage and track relationships more efficiently, and setting it up for your sales team is quick and easy. First things first, you'll want to sign up for Folk CRM. You can do that through the link in the description below. With our exclusive bonus, you can start using Folk CRM for free. More on that in a bit. Once you're signed up, the first step is to connect your team's email and calendar to Folk CRM. This integration will ensure that all your interactions are automatically logged, saving your sales team time on manual data entry. By syncing your calendar, you ensure that your team stays on top of meetings and follow-ups with potential clients without missing a beat. Next, let's talk about creating and organizing your contacts. Folk CRM uses a flexible, tag-based system, so you can categorize your leads and clients based on what matters most to your sales team. This could be anything from lead source to deal stage or even industry. With this level of customization, your sales team can focus on what's relevant, making their workflow much more efficient. Once you've categorized your contacts, you'll want to set up your pipelines. Folk CRM allows you to create multiple pipelines, so whether you're tracking prospects, existing customers, or even different products, you can manage them all in one place. Setting up pipelines is simple, and you can track each lead's progress with ease. Just drag and drop leads as they move through stages, and everyone on your team stays aligned. Now let's talk automations. With Folk CRM, you can set up automated tasks and reminders for your team. You can automate follow-up emails, schedule meetings, and even send out notifications when a lead takes a specific action. This automation frees up your team's time so they can focus on selling and not constantly chasing leads. For collaboration, Folk CRM has a built-in team inbox where your sales team can leave notes, tag team members, and easily collaborate on individual contacts. This is especially helpful for teams working remotely or with multiple sales reps handling the same account. No more searching through threads or sending endless emails. Everything is organized in one space. Lastly, Folk CRM integrates with various third-party tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Zapier, which makes it even more powerful. These integrations help you connect Folk CRM to the other tools your team uses, ensuring seamless data flow across platforms. Now, if you're setting up Folk CRM for your sales team and want to ensure maximum efficiency, make sure to also leverage the reporting and analytics tools available. Folk CRM offers detailed reports on your sales pipeline and individual sales reps' performance. These insights can help you identify areas for improvement and highlight your top performers. I mentioned at the beginning of the video that I'd share how to get Folk CRM for free. Well, here's your chance. Click the link in the description below to access an extended free trial of Folk CRM, exclusive to our viewers. This will give you all the premium features for a limited time, so you can see how it can take your sales team to the next level. So, there you have it. Setting up Folk CRM for your sales team is straightforward, and once it's up and running, you'll see your team's efficiency skyrocket. Remember, with the link below, you can access an exclusive extended free trial of Folk CRM, which is perfect for giving it a test run without any commitment. Thanks for watching, and good luck with setting up Folk CRM for your team.